In this video, I will show you how to connect your Epic Games account to your Steam account. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a new internet browser, come across to google.com, and you want to come across to Epic Games. So just go ahead and type Epic Games into the search box. And as you can see, we got the official site here, store.epicgames.com. So go ahead and click onto that to be taken to the official website. And if you're not already, come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the profile icon and sign in to your account. So once you've gone ahead and signed in to your account, come up to the top right hand corner to your profile icon, and if you hover over, you're going to get a drop down menu. Next, what you're going to want to do is come down and click onto account. And that's going to take you across to a page like this. Now, what you're going to want to do from here is come to this menu on the left hand side, and you want to come down and click onto apps and accounts. So from this page, you can see we got two options at the top. We got apps and accounts. You want to make sure you're on accounts. And as you can see, we've got Steam here. So you can see I've got a couple of accounts connected, such as my PlayStation, Xbox account, and Google account. So to go ahead and connect your Steam account, all you need to do is simply click the connect button underneath the Steam icon. And what it's going to do is take you across to an authorization page, and it's going to say what Epic Games account you're signed into. So make sure you're connected and signed into the correct account that you want to link your account for. If you're happy to go ahead, press the blue connect account button underneath. And what it's going to do is take you across to a page where you're going to have to sign in to your Steam account. If you're already signed in, it should locate your account, so you can simply go ahead and press the green sign in button down here. And as you can see, we've got a pop-up at the bottom saying you've successfully connected your Steam account to your Epic Games account. And you can see it's redirected us back to the apps and accounts page, and you can see this is now connected. So of course, if you do want to remove this at any point, you can just come across this page and click the remove button. So that's how to go ahead and connect your Epic Games account to your Steam account. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.